Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, cryptocurrency indexes, stock market, futures, commodity, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. So today is our weekend forecast. So this is the forecast for trading for next week, which is 14 to 18 of June. Before we start, I just want to let you guys know that I started another a dedicated Forex Twitter channel called Forex with KS. Previously I joined the stock market and the Forex Twitter together into one channel, but I think it's the best that we separate out because there's too many mixed tweets between Forex and XAUUSD, so it might get confusing, I think, for some of you. So now we have totally separate out. Forex is Alias Forex with KS. So the Twitter the Twitter link or the Twitter address is twitter.com/forex with KS. One single word. And the YouTube channel, remember, is Forex with KS. So do follow my channel. If you come in, remember to follow my channel, and I'll try to post my updates on the Twitter earlier, because I will do daily update on the YouTube. But YouTube I will do it in the morning, which is 10 o'clock GMT plus 8 Singapore time. So after 10 o'clock, if I see any changes, if I see any opportunity, I will post it in Twitter. So don't forget, follow my Twitter account. So let's dive into the calendar first. This week calendar, nothing too much, nothing much happened. The euro kept the rate, and the USD inflation, USD CPI number went up. Inflation went up. So actually good for the USD, but actually then the unemployment claim is not so good. That's why the mixed result on USD. But USD did have some momentum end of the week, which is on Friday evening. But generally nothing too big. For this week. So the last push is this one, because due to the University of Michigan consumer sentiment above expectation. So there's a push on the USD on next week, on this week, end of this week, So most likely Monday, around Monday or Tuesday, we still, the direction will still continue, which is a strengthening USD. But there's a lot of data next week. Let's quickly take a look at next week. Next week is a big week, for traders. So Monday, nothing much on Monday. Monday there's a bank holiday on Australia, China. So morning session will be quiet. Morning session, the Asia session will be quiet. So then only evening, government barely speaks. This might affect the pound a little bit. But then Tuesday we got a lot of data here. Tuesday we got a AUD monetary policy meeting, so this will affect AUD. And government barely speaks again. Expect volatility. With the government barely speaks, and US a lot of data. We got the retail sales expected to be better. PPI number, expect a slightly drop. So any positive number, will be good for the USD. So retail sales also expect to drop. So not so bullish the economy for outlook. So PPI, expect slight core PPI expect drop. expect slightly drop. Industry production also expect slightly drop. Okay, so any positive number here, okay, any positive number here, okay, will be good for the USD. So positive number means the okay number that beat the expectation. Okay, so Wednesday we got a CPI number. Okay, what's the difference between PPI okay and CPI? Okay, PPI is the producer price. Okay, means the price that the producer okay sell their goods. Okay, CPI is the consumer price. Okay, the price that the consumer okay use to buy the goods. Okay, the consumer pay okay to buy the goods. Okay, so this one. So Tuesday will be big for USD. Okay, check out USD. Okay, this could be directional change. Okay, for the USD, any big impact. Okay, could have a directional change on the US dollar. So Wednesday is more on CAD. Okay, CAD consumer price. And pound also consumer price. Okay, so CAD got a lot of consumer price yearly. Okay, so any numbers that beat the expectation will be good for the CAD. Okay, in the evening, crude oil inventories. Okay, the less US have the crude oil, right? It's better for it's good for CAD. Okay, because US will buy the crude oil from Canada. The more okay you buy, the lower the inventory. Okay, the more you buy. So Thursday, okay, FOMC statement, FOMC funds, federal funds. Okay, it's interest rate. So they expect okay remain the same. The interest rate 0.25. So any changes here will be big impact. Okay, any changes here will be big impact to the USD. Okay, so a lot of data. So Tuesday, okay, big impact USD. Wednesday, big impact on CAD, and Thursday also big impact for USD. So be careful here. Okay, FOMC rates and the FOMC statement conference. Okay, and this one will have some volatility. Okay, if no changes here, okay, shouldn't be a big changes. If any changes to the rates, okay, there will be big changes to the direction. So also Canada governor McClem speaks. Also you got New Zealand GDP. Okay, expect better GDP coming out. Australia government low speaks. So Australia also unemployment change in the morning. So this one FOMC actually in the US. Okay, it's a night. Okay, 2 a.m. But in our Asia time. Okay, Asia time is in the early morning. Okay, early morning. Okay, so these are early morning. So actually this is should be counted as okay, it's a Wednesday data. Okay, Wednesday data. So in Asia time, okay, when we start to trade, okay, all this should be already done and dusted. Okay, already done and dusted. So we start trading, okay, in the morning at after the US press conference. Okay, so this one be careful if you got position open. So be careful. Okay, so this one could have a big impact. So Thursday morning actually we will have this Canada Governor McClem speaks again. Okay, so New Zealand GDP, we got Australia government low speak, employment change. So then we got Swiss franc. Okay, monetary policy again. Okay, interest rate again, press conference. So in the evening we got USD. Okay, Philly manufacturing index and unemployment claim. Okay, so this one not as big as the others. Okay, not as big. And Friday we got Japanese. Okay, Japan monetary statement and retail sales. Okay, so this one, the big one, that you need to really, look after. Okay, be careful. Okay, it's a Tuesday for the USD. Okay, Wednesday for CAD. Thursday, a lot of data on Thursday, so be very careful. Thursday, a lot of data on USD. Okay, we got CAD, we got New Zealand and AUD, so all these have to be careful on Thursday. Okay, there could be big changes, okay, to the direction, and also Swiss franc. Okay, and this one, if you are in Europe or in US, so it will be the same day. Okay, it will be the same day, but if you are in Asia, okay, then it will be a different day. So Thursday a lot of data. Okay, a lot of data on Tuesday. So Thursday will be the big one. Okay, the big one. So be very careful on Thursday. And Friday, okay, nothing too big. Japan monetary policy statement, retail sales, BOJ conference. Okay, so this one not so much. So remember, okay, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay, be very careful. Okay, so we look at the chart. We look at Euro USD. So Euro USD, I talk about here, right? R1. Okay, you want to see which one is stronger. Now this is neutral. Okay, the bear and the bulls are fighting it out at this area. As I said, if the price, okay, break below, okay, on the Friday, most likely the price will continue to go down next few days. Okay, if the price is a bullish price over here, okay, and it breaks out from this channel top, okay, most likely, okay, the price will continue to go up. Okay, so Friday, okay, the price actually started to go down. Okay, lose this one. In the near term, okay, the price should continue to go down somewhere to S1 to S2. Okay, so this one, because the market is structured to the upside, we want to look for a buy opportunity. Okay, so we want to wait for a bullish price action around S1, okay, S1 to S2 area, maybe around here, okay, or the S3 area, S3 area, okay, a bullish price action, we want to buy, okay, we don't want to sell, okay, unless you are a day trader, okay, short-term trader, maybe you can do sell at this channel, okay, but we are trading the daily candle, okay, and if you don't want to sell, because you can see, right, if you buy, okay, from this trend, right, your opportunity, okay, is this far, okay. If you sell, you see it goes against the trend, right, your the range that it travel, right, is not even, okay, it's around only around 30% of this move, okay. Means your probability, okay, if you buy over here, your probability is much higher than you sell because your probability is short-lived, right? Here also short-lived, right? Here also, okay. So this one is still under correction until the price break S3, okay, break below S3, okay, then only we maybe want to change our buyers to sell, okay. Now we still look for buyer, okay, around this area, S2 and S3. Our USD is still in a range, so we can't do anything here. Okay, we don't want to buy into support, buy into resistance and sell into support. So this one wait for a break above R1, rebound, okay, only buy, or we wait for a break below at support one, okay, break below support one, a rebound maybe at S2, okay, or further down, okay, for a rebound, then only we want to, okay, look for a buy opportunity. Okay, S1, right? For S1, right? If we have a very strong pin bar over here, a big pin bar over here, okay, a big pin bar over here, okay, probably, okay, we will have probably we might take a trade up here, okay, because okay, we got room to grow, right? If other price action, if we have a bullish engulfing, okay, over here, the bullish engulfing already maybe go at the halfway of this range, okay, so when if we buy here, straight away we buy into resistance, okay, there's no point doing it. So if there is a bullish price action at the bottom end of the S1, okay, so possibly there is opportunity to buy over here, okay, but we have to wait and see. Okay, if it breaks down, okay, if it breaks down, then we want to wait for rebound at S2, okay, or rebound at S3. So USDJPY, so it's moving inside this tight range. Okay, you see H4, H4, I already drawn a tight range over here. I talk about this triangle, right? Okay, in my uh, Twitter. Okay, this triangle, if the price break below the triangle, maybe I want to close the trade because I took the trade after the price rebound from here. Okay, if it breaks below, I want to close the trade, but looks like it continued to go up, so I still holding to the trade. Okay, it continued to go up. But there's rejection at the top of the channel. Okay, I drawn a small channel over here, rejection over here. So this one could be sideways a few more days, okay, before a breakup, okay, a decisive breakup. So we are still not sure which direction it wants to go, okay, unless next week, okay, the price straight away come out, okay, above this channel line, okay, so the momentum may be strong, okay. Friday it tried to break again, but it did not, so looks like this one could be sideways for some time, okay. Depends on what happened next week, okay. If the price actually do continue to go up, so we hold it until R2. If the price break below, okay, we want to buy, okay, at S2, okay, bullish price action, okay, as S2 or S3, okay, which is 108.54 and 108.63. Aussie dollar, so Aussie dollar is in also in a range, so we don't want to do anything here. Okay, this one I already talked, emphasize this many times. There's no point, okay, to buy in the range because the chop, okay, the chop we chop our stop loss, okay, our price action out. So there's also no point to hold a trade for 1-2 months, okay, without any movement, any big movement. So there's no point. So we want to wait for a break below S1, okay, a rebound at S2, maybe buy opportunity or a break above R1 and retest, okay, then maybe you want to buy. Similar to New Zealand dollar, okay, New Zealand Kiwi versus dollar. So okay, this is the range. So we don't want to buy, okay, within this range. So price is trying to break out, but haven't break out. If the price break out, then we wait for a rebound at S2 for buy opportunity, or S3, okay, 0.7047 or 0.6949. Okay, if the price break above R1, we want to wait for a retest and a buy opportunity at 0.7306. USD CAD also similar. Okay, USD CAD also similar. It's in this range. Okay, so the price already broke out from this range. Look like, okay, you want to continue go up. So we want to buy weakness in a downtrend. So this is a downtrend. Okay, so you want to buy weakness. If the price come to R2 got rejected, okay, there's a buy or sell opportunity at R2, or the price go higher to this channel, okay, and R3, okay, so if there is a rejection over here, okay, so you want to, okay, execute another sell, okay, trade, or okay, the price come back up, okay, indicate it's a false break, and the price continue to break below S1, okay, and rebound a rejection, okay, retest the S1, then we want to initiate a sell, okay, here. Gold, okay, the gold that day I said, right, it's a good pin bar over here, but we don't want to sell into buy into a resistance. Okay, so this one so the price did not actually continue to move up. Now the price came back down, so now we are at the channel. Okay, we are at the channel, so we have to wait and see whether it breaks below the channel, okay, or it continue to rebound. Okay, if it continue to rebound, we want to wait for it to break above R1, retest, then only we want to buy. Okay, if the price break below, then we want to see a rebound at S1. Okay, we want for a buy opportunity or rebound at S2. Okay, S1 is a strong support resistance. S1, okay, is the area where it breaks out from this long-term downtrend channel. Okay, it's the area where it breaks out from this long-term downtrend channel. So it's a strong, okay, area. Okay, so if the price comes to 1854 or 1850 area, okay, this will be a good opportunity here. Okay, likely a lot of buyers will defend the the area. Aussie dollar, I talk about SPI 200 SPI 200. I talk about this trade. I talk about this trade. On the breakout, came back and retest. I took this trade. So the price continued to go up to my favor. And last week it did a diamond pattern. Initially it did a broadening top, but then it turned into the diamond. Diamond is a bullish pattern. If the price break above the diamond, there's another buy opportunity here. So I added to my trade. To my trade after the break over here. So I added to my trade. So took the initial buy. I took the initial buy here. Now this one I added another to my trade because of the diamond pattern. So this is a diamond pattern. So a breakout, a diamond pattern indicates that the price will continue to go up. So there's many type consolidation pattern. Bullish consolidation pattern. There is a wedge pattern. My wedge looks a bit funny. So there is a wedge pattern. So there is a flag pattern. So we want to. So these are all bullish price action. If the price break above the flag, let's say the flag. If the price break above the flag, so there's a opportunity. For a buy or a wedge pattern. The price break above the wedge pattern, or you see this diamond pattern, right? You see this diamond pattern. Diamond pattern. So the price went up. Comes to diamond pattern and break above the diamond pattern. So this is a good opportunity to buy. But this is all probability. There's no guarantee in any trade. Nobody can guarantee any trade. So it can still go. It can still go down. There's no guarantee. So because of the pattern. Of the continuation pattern. This is a continuation pattern. So I added to my lot size. Hopefully, my take profit will be near the top of the channel because we got a channel over here, so the price is respecting the top of the channel, so somewhere at the top of the channel. The DAX, DAX also I took a trade over here. So after the price, broke here, right? The price broke above, and came back and retest on this pin bar, so I took a trade. So the price didn't continue to go up. The price came back down. Retest retest the broken support resistance area. So as we said, resistance once broken becomes support. Now it's testing again. Now the price continue to go up. So this one, if we miss this entry, right? There's a second opportunity to go in again. So this is a second opportunity. Now the price broke up. So you can see this one actually is a triangle. The price actually broke up for above the triangle or Hirami pattern. This is a Hirami, right? Hirami pattern. So the price broke out a Hirami pattern, indicating the price want to continue to go up. Want to continue to go up. This one I won't add to my lot size because this one I already put my maximum lot size into here. So AUD the SPI I didn't put my maximum lot size yet. So this one I already put my maximum lot size, so I'm not adding. Because I don't want to take too much risk. During a single time. Because I already open USDJPY, AUD SPI 200, this DAX and also NASDAQ. So this one already looks good. For the price to continue to go up. So this is an opportunity here. You look into the 4 hour. You look into the 1 hour, right? You can see this is actually a triangle. A triangle pattern over here. So it breaks up from the triangle pattern. So you cannot see in the higher time frame. You can go to lower time frame. And take a look. This one looks good for the price to go up. but I will not add to my lot size because I already have my maximum lot size into here. NASDAQ, I talk about the breakout over here, so I took my trade at the breakout at the R1, okay, 13717, okay, so the price came back, it broke out, the price came back, tested one time, okay, tested two times, tested three times, then finally, okay, it went up. So my target is somewhere around here, around R2. I will not put exactly at the R2, okay, 14062, because price, a lot of time it doesn't reach the exact trend line before it goes down, so I put it a little bit lower, okay, than the R2, okay. So this one heading to my target, okay, very near to my target already. So this one looks good. So this one continue to hold, okay, this one continue to hold, okay, no, too late to enter, okay, the time to enter is at R1 13717. The Dow Jones, there's no trade here because price is in a choppy channel, okay, in a choppy sideways channel over here, so there's nothing we can do. Okay, we want to wait for a break above R1, okay, retest, then only a buy opportunity, or a breakdown of S1 support 1, okay, a rebound at S2 33257, okay, for a buy opportunity. S&P is similar, okay, but S&P already broke out, okay. So this one, okay, looks like the price want to continue to go up. S&P is very strong, broke out. Let's go into the 4 hour to see. Okay, so the price broke up and retest bullish engulfing. Okay, looks good that the price want to continue to go up. Okay, looks good. Preferably, okay, if the price can break above this candle, okay, the price can break above this candle will be a better time to enter. Okay, so you don't make a okay. So this one, right, we want to see because there is still pressure, selling pressure over here. Okay, so this could be a false break. So for S&P, if the price can break above this candle, okay, break above this candle, then there is opportunity to buy, okay, to buy. Okay, to buy. I think there's a channel over here. Maybe we want to buy towards the top of the channel. I didn't draw the channel over here, but there is a channel over here if I can remember. Okay, buy. This is a 3-line channel. Okay, if you see properly, this is not a 2-line channel. This is a 3-line channel. Okay, so we want to buy towards the top of the channel. Okay, in the middle line. Okay, middle line of the channel. Okay, towards the middle channel, top of the middle channel. Okay, so that's it for this week. Remember, okay, subscribe to my channel, like and share. Remember, my Twitter channel now is twitter.com/forexwithks. Okay, so stay safe from COVID. Talk to you again on Monday morning, 10 to 11 a.m. Okay, and Singapore time, which is GMT +8. Okay, thank you for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye.